Self-defense jewelry is this cool new type of accessory that combines stylish jewelry with practical self-defense tools. They have created a whole new way for the vulnerable to stay safe. Mostly designed and tailored perfectly to women's lifestyles, women are targets for millions of violent crimes across the globe. Self-defense tools give women a unique opportunity to be prepared for any kind of situation. Now when your accessories are of the line of defense jewelry, not only will you slay with your outfit, but also have the confidence that you can easily escape any dangerous situation. They are designed for use in an emergency, and to integrate with and enhance your natural defense responses. They are easily accessible to your person when you need them, and cannot be taken and used against you because you are wearing them. No matter what self-defense tools you may or may not already own, they are an important addition to your everyday routine. The story of Bobby Power began in 2016. We have strived to bring you the most outstanding Viking accessories. Scandinavian jewelry is made with stainless steel, providing customers with the opportunity to feel Norse gods in life. The Jew color of wolf's head contrasts sharply with the dark color of the leather chain, yet delivers the most flickering harmonious combination. Link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to help this channel. Thank you.